Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Inside. Today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. Rolls-Royce, a brand synonymous with ultra-luxury automobiles, has taken a bold step into the world of luxury motorhomes, redefining what it means to travel in style and comfort. Let's start with the exterior because this vehicle commands attention the moment it rolls up. It carries the unmistakable Rolls-Royce presence. Sleek, stately, and impossibly elegant, the body is crafted with the same attention to detail Rolls-Royce is known for, featuring a bespoke aluminum chassis that keeps it surprisingly light for a motorhome of this size. The iconic Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament stands tall, even here, symbolizing the blend of heritage and innovation. The paint finish options are stunning, with hand-applied multiple layers creating a mirror-like shine that you won't find on any other motorhome. The wheels are enormous, polished alloys with intricate detailing that's both bold and graceful. Moving on to the interior, this is where the magic truly happens. Rolls-Royce has taken the idea of a motorhome and elevated it into a moving palace. Step inside and you're greeted by handcrafted leather seating that rivals their flagship sedans. The cabin is spacious, designed to offer a living experience rather than just a place to sit while traveling. The flooring is real wood veneer, carefully sourced and laid by artisans. Every panel, every surface is wrapped in the finest materials, from polished metals to hand-stitched leather and natural wool carpets. One of the most impressive features is the lounge area, complete with reclining chairs and a full bar setup that includes crystal glassware and a built-in espresso machine. There's a state-of-the-art entertainment system with OLED screens that disappear into the cabinetry when not in use, and an immersive sound system that makes any music or movie feel like a private concert. The lighting system is fully customizable, with a range of ambient colors and intensities to set the perfect mood. The kitchen is no afterthought either. It's a full gourmet kitchen with a high-end induction cooktop, a refrigerator with adjustable temperature zones, and a microwave. Countertops are polished stone, and all appliances are seamlessly integrated with a minimalist aesthetic. Sleeping quarters are just as luxurious. The bed is fully adjustable and features a mattress designed specifically for optimal comfort on the road. There's plenty of storage cleverly concealed throughout the interior, so everything stays neat and organized even on longer trips. The bathroom is fully equipped with a shower that uses smart water technology to conserve while delivering a spa-like experience. Under the hood, performance matches the opulence. This motorhome is powered by a custom V12 engine, tuned specifically for smooth power delivery and effortless cruising. The ride quality is impeccable thanks to an advanced air suspension system that adapts to road conditions in real time, absorbing bumps and ensuring a silky, smooth drive. Despite its size, the handling is surprisingly nimble, thanks to precise steering and advanced driver assist technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree cameras. Now, let's talk numbers. This motorhome is not for the faint of heart when it comes to pricing. It's estimated to start in the ballpark of $3 million, making it one of the most expensive motorhomes ever produced. But if you consider what you're getting, a combination of Rolls-Royce craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched luxury, it's clear this is designed for a very exclusive clientele. Overall, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Motorhome represents a new frontier in luxury travel. It's more than just a vehicle. It's a statement, a lifestyle choice for those who want to experience the ultimate blend of comfort, performance, and prestige while on the move. Whether you're cruising cross-country or parked at a luxury resort, this motorhome is bound to turn heads and set a new benchmark for what's possible. That's it from me today. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Auto Inside for more exclusive looks at the world's most incredible cars. Let me know in the comments what you think about Rolls-Royce entering the motorhome game. Is this the future of luxury travel, or just an extravagant novelty? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.